Hi, Owen.
Hi.
You want to go back up on the deck?
Wow.
Let's show everybody how deep it is up on the deck. February 6th. Another big snowstorm. Owen made a little slide going down the steps. He's getting ready for the Winter Olympics.
And that's
his bobsled run.
And that is how deep it is, Danny.
Yeah. We're probably about 3 steps high already above the landing. Gotta kick them feet in, man. Do you want me to go first?
No, I'm getting dying.
You can't get up. We packed it down. Let me go first.
No, that's loaded up.
Watch. Follow. Woo! Oh no! It fell down right in your face. I'm coming, I'm coming.